How you doing?
How you doing?
Good, you?
Good, thanks.
Oh, she made it. You made it.
Oh, yeah. I came here yesterday.
If you don't mind, right over here, please.
At the table was black, and I said, no, it's a white table you're supposed to get.
Yeah. Actually, the black one is all black, and the white one is like 90% white, and only the top is black. Yeah.
Right here's good?
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. Is there a way that's up and down and yeah? Okay, folks. So here's the Sobro coffee table that I just received. The shipping guy dropped it off, and this is the all white with the black top. Yeah, we'll see. It was supposed to be delivered yesterday. They were supposed to deliver it yesterday, but they had an all black one. They had a mistake. It was supposed to be going to somebody else, so luckily they caught that in time. So we'll see if this is the right one or not, but it should be good. Anyway, here's a quick little unboxing of my new Sobro table. Okay, let's try this. Get it. Sorry guys for the little blurriness and my messy surroundings and table and stuff, but just cut it. And is it the right one? Dun dun dun. Black top, the white bottom. I don't understand why this phone is being sold like this. Sorry guys. It's a really good cell phone too. It's a Google Pixel. It's still being crazy. Stay tuned guys. Nope. Yeah, this. You're gonna read the instructions here. Caution, risk of fire or explosion. Dispose of properly in accordance with federal or local regulations. Flammable refrigerant used. That's cool. So it's it comes pretty much assembled. There's nothing to really do except you know, undo things. But let's start with the drawers. The top drawer it has this little thingy inside it. Sorry for the quality, I'm doing this with one-handed guys. I can't do everything with one hand. 1 second please. Sorry about that. So it's got a nice little drawer here. It's obviously good enough size. That's for comparison. That's a remote in there, so it's got plenty of room. And then we have the bottom one, same thing. It's got a really interesting feel to the closing of the door ish, and yeah, it's got a solid feel. And now, can I have that knife, please? I can't. Thank you. Let me just cut into this without scratching it, hopefully. Let me get to show you guys the piece de resistance. I think that's how you say it. And ready? Here we go. Lasagna, that hot, unbelievable, man. This is still not coming out. Why isn't it? Alright. Are we ready for this? What is in here? Dun dun dun! Look at that. It's got a fridge. This thing's got a built-in fridge, folks. How badass is that? It's pretty deep. I say maybe about the size of a water bottle. Let's try it out, the small water bottle. And perfect for a water bottle. Look at that. And I say we got about 1, 2, looks like 4 this way, and I think 8 across. So about 32 bottles of water this table holds in the fridge. So it's just pretty cool, I think. Closed up. That's about it. So, and we have on the sides we have the I'm not gonna kill my finger right now. Well, I'll be covering the phone like a goof, an idiot. And here we have the one of the speakers. Actually, yes, the table actually comes with 2 speakers built in. So let's see. And down here is also 2 power plugs. Your PlayStation on top of there, or your Xbox, cell phone, whatever, all that stuff. There's also a USB. See if I can pop this off here quickly. There we go. So here we have 2. Sorry about that, folks. I pushed the damn button on this stupid thing. And on this side we have another 2. And here, which is pretty damn awesome, is 2 USB and a headphone or some kind of a jack. Yeah, that's it for now. On top of here we have controls for the Bluetooth, the speakers, and all that stuff. It also has, it's got lighting. I don't know, a bunch of colors underneath. We gotta put the legs in, I think. You can control mood lighting, like the purples or whatever. But we'll get to that in a bit. Let me just set everything up and talk to you soon. Well, here's the table pretty much all put together now. My PlayStation, my Gatorade, coffee, cell phone. Here's the controls on top. You control the temperature of the fridge, the Bluetooth controls and all that. Power on and off. Also, you can control the mood lighting. Yes, mood lighting. Let me just show you here. See, look at that. See the blue light right under the table? Let me just show you. Oh, it's pretty cool, and it's color changeable. Let me see if I could do this for you guys here. Red or pink, whatever, like a lightish white, nice green, purple, another orange again, or whatever that is, a blue, my favorite. And yeah, and now this is the cool part here. Fridge, drinks, all that stuff. So yeah, even the temperature of the fridge is controllable on that little display, from 3 Celsius to, I believe, 10 or 11 Celsius, which is like 37 Fahrenheit to 40 something. Sorry, I'm not 100% sure on the Fahrenheit there, people, but yeah, that is the Sobro table, all pretty much assembled and put together, and enjoyed one night already. Thank you for watching. Till next time, keep on swimming.